Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And somebody watched my last video and they go, what if you want to do a five-sided? Same principle with the easiest way I did it. Take a 2-point line and change this to 8 inches. Now we have an 8-inch line. And we know that 5 into 360 is 72. So we're going to change the rotation to there. And we're going to rotate it 72 degrees. Well, excuse me, half of that, 36. And then we're going to mirror that guy. We're going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and mirror it. And then we're going to go like that. Now, I'm going to move this out of the way a little bit. The easiest way I figured out to do it is to Control G and group it, hit the plus key on your keyboard and get your four-sided X and move it over there, and then move your center rotation to here and go negative 144. So then all you have to do is just add one more side, and you have after we fill it in with the Smart Fill tool to get all this thing sealed up. And this was if you wanted 8-inch sides. So now we have 8-inch sides all the way around with just a little bit of math and rotating thing. So this could be done with, I guess, with 7, 8, 10-sided, whatever. Anyway, just a little bit of fun. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.